In this video, I will show you how to install PyCharm on Windows 11. Visit the jetbrains.com/pycharm/download, and here you will find the links to download the PyCharm. PyCharm is available in two versions: PyCharm Professional, the PyCharm Professional IDE for data science and web development, and there is a community version which is free and it is used for pure Python development. On my Windows 11, I will download PyCharm Community Edition. So click on the exe and download is started. It will take some time for the download to complete. If the download is not started, you can also click on this direct link and download will start. So PyCharm is IDE which comes with built-in developer tools, and we can also use PyCharm to debug the Python code line by line, inline debugger, multi-process debugging, and so on. We can also run the code from the PyCharm IDE itself. In our complete Python tutorial course, we will be using PyCharm for developing the example programs. PyCharm is a powerful IDE and it supports Python 2.x, 3.x, Jython, IronPython, PyPy, Python, and so on. Code navigation and structure view, quick usages search and refactoring tool, code inspections, and much more. Unit testing is also available in PyCharm, code coverage, Python profiler. So it is very powerful IDE. It also supports the Git, SVN, Mercurial, Perforce, and other version control systems. Installer is downloaded. I will double click here and the installer will start now. PyCharm Community Edition setup is started. Welcome to PyCharm Community Edition setup. Click next. Then this is the directory for installation of PyCharm. You can change the directory if you want. I will just leave this and click on the next. Then I will select PyCharm Community Edition, add open folder as project, then py and add bin path to the path. Click next. Now the installer is extracting the files and installing the PyCharm IDE on my Windows 11 computer. PyCharm Community Edition setup is successfully done, and I will click on finish, and I can search the PyCharm and click on this link to open the PyCharm IDE, accept the agreement and continue. I can create a simple project here. Create. I will create a new file hello and click here. So, this is a simple code which prints the hello PyCharm on the console. I can click here, run, and you can see it use this virtual, so it uses this python.exe to run the hello world.py, and it printed the hello world message here. So, in this video we learned how to download and install PyCharm or Windows 11 and create a simple program in Python and run in the PyCharm IDE. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.